In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently uninstall eSports from your Windows computer. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to uninstall eSports from your Windows PC, go ahead and look for control panel here. However, if you can't see this control panel, maybe you don't have this shortcut available, no problem. Just go ahead and tap on the start menu down here and then search for control panel like that. And here you can see we have the program. Go ahead and tap on it. It is under system. Now under control panel, go ahead and look for programs and features and tap on it to open. And this will go ahead and list all the programs that are installed and running on your computer. From here, scroll down and find eSports. As you can see, my program is here. Then tap on it to uninstall. Now you should see an option to uninstall here, or if you just right click on it, you'll also have an option to uninstall. Go ahead and tap on this and then confirm by tapping on yes. And this will go ahead and open the uninstallation wizard for this program. First, make sure that all the other running programs were closed. And here we have an option to uninstall it. So to uninstall, go ahead and just tap on uninstall. And this will go ahead and initialize the uninstallation process. Be patient as this process proceeds and do not close this window. And here you can see the uninstallation is almost complete. And now it is done. You can see even the shortcut file has been removed. So once done, now you can proceed and click close to finalize. So if you go back to your control panel, you can see eSports FC is no longer among the programs on your Windows computer. So this process is the same for both Windows 10 and Windows 11 computers. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.